welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing a Vettsy monthly subscription box. So I'm a little bit behind with this video as I purchased this as, I think it was the June box, but let's get into it. I'm going to start off with these stickers. I also purchased a lucky bag, so go and have a look at my other video if you want to see what we got with them. So here we have a lovely little tool. To help to etch your nails for prep. We've got two little triangles here, which these dishes are so handy to have. Then we have a chrome, a magnet. Oh, we're going to have a look at that in a little bit. Here we have some sequins. They give me sort of festival celebration vibes, those colours. Ain't these just gorgeous? I can't wait to try them out in some nails. We have some more glitters here. Lovely colours. Now we've got a blue sort of tone to those little strips. Not quite sure what would you call them, but they're beautiful regardless. Now these are lovely for some seaside or aqua style nails. Those look beautiful. Those little stones. We have some foils as well, which in my last Vettsy video you would have seen that I've got some foil glue. So I need to try these out. Then we have Sugar High hard gel or solid gel, and we also have Stunning. Then we have this neon cat's eye gel, which this is amazing. I think this is one of my favourite gel polishes at the moment. The two-tone in the colour is just breathtaking. It's a little bit dark for me at this time of the year, but I'm sure I can do maybe some more galaxy nails, or we can sort of incorporate into a winter set or autumn set soon. Grab the magnet out so we can move around the particles. It's a beautiful colour. Then we're going to have a look at this tool. So we've got a wax end there, And then we also have another, I call them picker-uppers. I'm sure that they've got a proper name. They're always handy to have. I'll go in with the second coat. The camera's just refocusing there a little bit. And again, a bit too much on the table today. Pop that in a lamp. I'll give it a full 60-second cure. And then we have this cute little satin bag, which you could keep lots of cute little things in there. Nice little drawstring. Here's one last look at all of the goodies that we've got inside. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed. Hit that like button if you have. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.